Grape hyacinths or muscari are just the kind of flowers I like. They bloom early in the spring from bulbs and naturalize very easily. They typically bloom early to mid-spring, with the first flowers appearing in March or April and the last of May here in Zone 5. The flowers last about 3 to 4 weeks, and these low to the ground flowers reach a height of only 6 to 8 inches. Perfect for edging borders, rock gardens, and containers. Plant the bulbs in fall in well-draining soil with full sun or a little partial shade, 2 to 3 inches deep. I like to mulch my flower beds with a mix of wood chips and grass clippings that provide the organic material to enrich the flower bed and keep the weeds down. Bulbs need to be well drained in soil rich in organic matter, and they are quite hardy, and they can withstand temperatures down to 30 below. They're pretty low maintenance. Once established, need only natural rainfall after flowering. Let the foliage die back naturally, and don't cut it off before it dies back on its own. And grape hyacinths will naturally naturalize by self-seeding and multiplying, creating a lovely carpet of blooms over time.